Hello students, welcome to my social studies class. This is Sanchita ma'am here. We were learning the chapter rotation and revolution. This is in chapter number 5, rotation and revolution, in page number 32. We have already discussed rotation part of the chapter. We know that earth has two kinds of motion. One is called rotation and another one is called revolution. The earth moves around its own axis in 24 hours. This one is called rotation. Today we will learn about the revolution movement of our earth. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. While rotating on its axis, the earth also continuously moves around the sun. This movement is known as the revolution movement. Now look at this slide. What is earth's revolution? What is earth's revolution? While rotating on its axis, the earth also continuously moves around the sun. Here it is the sun and here it is the earth. The earth is moving around the sun. This is the sun. The earth is moving around the sun. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. This time is considered as 1 year. Look at the picture. This movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, revolution. Now, when the earth revolves around the sun following a fixed path, this fixed path is called the orbit. The orbit is elliptic in shape. Elliptic means it is an oval shape. Look at this picture. The shape is oval. This one is called the orbit of the earth. In the middle of this orbit, the sun is there and the earth is moving around the sun in this elliptic or oval shaped orbit. This orbit is this elliptic path is called orbit. This is also an imaginary path. Now the question comes to our mind, what is the speed of the earth? The average speed of the earth's revolution is about the 30 km per second, which is extremely high speed. Even at this speed, it takes a little over 365 days to complete one revolution. This time is considered as 1 year. So, the average speed of the earth's revolution is about the 30 kilometers per second, which is extremely high speed. Okay. So, the earth moves around the sun following an elliptic path that is called an orbit. The earth's movement around the sun is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. We will explain it now. What is called revolution is now clear to you. Now these the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. This time is considered as 1 year. Look at the picture. Okay. Now I will explain you what is leap year. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun, to round the sun. But we consider 1 year to have only 365 days because it makes measuring time easier. Now this extra 6 hours from each year finally add up to 24 hours. That is 6 into 4 is equal to 24, or a complete day after 4 years. Thus, an extra day is added to the calendar every 4th year. Such a year which has 366 days in it is known as leap year. So in a leap year, the month of February has 29 days instead of 28. You know, this year, that means 2020, this year is a leap year because we have this calculation 6 into 4 is equal to 24, or a complete day is added to the year. Every 4th year is a leap year. This year, this 2020 is a leap year. So the earth rotates around the sun in this way, from west to east, this way. The sun is in the middle of this, is the imaginary path. This one is called orbit, and the earth is moving in this way. So this one, to complete this one revolution, this one takes 365 days and 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun. So this much is today's task. Revolution part is explained in this video. You please follow this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.